Hey adventurers, Jeremy here, your go-to guide for all things RV. Today we're spicing up your RV game with a dash of style. Get ready to unleash your inner RV designer with the hottest accessories on the market. Let's start by giving your RV some curb appeal. From awnings to LED lights, we've got the accessories to make your rig stand out in the crowd. Now, let's step inside and transform your RV into a home on wheels. We've got gadgets, decor, and essentials to make your living space as stylish as it is functional. For the adventurers seeking off-grid living, we haven't forgotten you. Solar panels, portable generators, and more. Stay powered and connected even in the most remote locations. And there you have it. The hottest accessories to turn your RV into a rolling paradise. Which accessory caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more RV adventures.